Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making cheesy meatball bites. The ingredients that we're going to need today are Italian seasoning, parsley flakes, croissant rolls, pizza sauce, frozen meatballs, and also shredded mozzarella cheese. Okay guys, you want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. So you're going to want 12 meatballs. And I've poured my sauce into a bowl and also my mozzarella cheese. Now we're going to go ahead and open our croissant rolls. Once you have your croissant rolls rolled out, all you want to do is pinch all the seams together. Once you have all the seams pinched together, all you want to do is take a rolling pin and just roll over it to make sure the seams are all closed. Okay guys, now you want to make 12 squares. So we're going to cut across 2 times. Then we're going to come down. Okay guys, I have a standard size muffin tin. So all I'm going to do now is just spray the insides with some non-stick cooking spray. Okay, now all you want to do is take one of your squares. We're going to place it inside. I'm going to make sure everything is sealed. And we're just going to push it down. Going to do that for each muffin tin. Okay guys, so this is what it should look like. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take my sauce and I'm just going to put it on the bottom. Okay, once you're done that, you want to grab some mozzarella cheese. Put that on top of your sauce. Now we're just going to go in with some Italian seasoning. You're going to sprinkle it right on top of your cheese. Not too much, just enough. Okay, once you're done, we're going to set our meatballs right on top. Now we're going to go in once again with our sauce. You want to add too much, just enough to cover the meatball. Okay, now we're going to go ahead in with our mozzarella cheese again. Okay, now you're going to go back on top with your Italian seasoning. Okay guys, now they're ready to go into your oven at 375 degrees for 15 to 17 minutes. Okay guys, so our cheesy meatball bites are now done. I'm going to let them sit for about 5 minutes before I remove them. Okay guys, look how pretty they came out. These are our cheesy meatball bites. So all you want to do now is take some dried parsley flakes just for some color and sprinkle it over top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.